G here. How y'all folk doing? We got a good one right now. I'm going to show you how, this is no editing too. I'm going to show you, this is what you need. You need cooked ham. Okay, you need an egg, you need butter. You got to have bacon bits, salt and pepper, mayonnaise, ketchup, and bread. Okay, and you got to have a skillet. You got to have a skillet. You see the clock? It's 1:02, right? Okay, we'll turn that on high. Watch this. Okay, no editing. We're going to do it right here, right now. Okay, can you see that? Okay, there you go. Now she's getting hot. Okay, while she's getting hot, we put this in here like this. Okay? Alright. This is real quick, real fast. You know, it takes 20 minutes to go to town. You go get you, but you got something right here real quick. Okay? So, see, we haven't even opened the ham yet. This is how, look, watch. See? Haven't even opened the ham yet. Okay, we're going to open the ham with my dull scissors. Okay? Okay, get you some sharp scissors. Okay, there you go. Okay, now, alright, we're going to put the ham on there first. Okay, well, we can't get this, people. Hold on. We have a malfunction here. Okay, no editing. You're going to see it all. This is how professional I am. Now I'm going to show you, I'm showing you how you can be a professional too, okay? Alright? Okay, how's that look? Alright, now there it is. We got to get it going though, man. Okay, we're going to put 2 slices of ham in there. Okay? 2 slices of ham. Alright, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Okay, 2 slices of ham. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put a little pepper on it. Okay. Put a little salt on it. Okay. We'll put the pepper. We got the bacon bits. Okay. Okay, we're going to put some bacon bits on there. Okay, look at that. Let it cook in there. Okay. What happens when you don't edit? Okay, I don't have my spatula handy. I don't know what to do with the spatula. Okay. But I'm a professional, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, we ain't gonna let that cut. You see, it's 1:05. It's been 3 minutes. We got that sucker going, man. She's going. It's cooking. We're cooking it fast. See how hot that is? Fast cook. Okay. All right. Now while that's doing the cooking, we're gonna get our bread ready. Okay. See this? Getting the bread ready. Had to open it. Get a plate right here. Okay. Right here. Here's the plate. All right. Can you see the plate over here? Okay. Might raise you up a little bit higher. How about that? Okay. Got the plate. So you see the plate. Okay. Put the bread here. Okay. Bread's right there. I might even tie it up. How about that? How about that? There, people. Tie that up. See that? Even took time to tie it up. Okay. Let's flip her. Oh, I smell that. Smell that bacon. Smell that bacon bit. Okay. Alright, now you got to squeeze out butter, mayonnaise here. Okay. We'll squeeze it on there. Squeeze it on there. Okay. And we want to put ketchup on it. Okay, I like ketchup. Just a little squirt on each side. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now we gotta do this. Right. Okay, we gotta turn this over before it burns. We don't burn nothing, okay? Put the salt on it. Okay, we got the salt on there. So let's take the ham off. Okay, we're gonna take the ham off of there. Okay. Oh. Okay. There's the ham still burning on there. Okay. And we're gonna put some butter in there. Okay. Alright. Woo-wee. Gator, you making them hot, man. Okay, we don't want it cold, do we, people? Nobody wants cold. I don't have a spatula for that. I don't know what happened to my spatula. But, okay. Where'd you go, spatula? I really do need my spatula. I don't have it. I've lost it. I lost my spatula. I don't know what to do. That's some chef you are. Okay, well, anyway. Okay, I can't do it with this here. Okay, edit. Where's the edit button at? Okay. Where's the edit button at? Okay. Alright. Okay, let's see. Alright. Right there. This is how you do it. That's how a bachelor does it, okay? Okay, look at that, boy. Okay. There we go. Oh, yeah. Gotta get all them juices in there. Okay. Get our ham in here. Okay. Okay. And then we'll put that right there like that. Okay. Get all our, we're gonna get all our egg out of there. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Let's take this off of there. That sucker's hot. Ooh, yeah. Oh boy. That's hot. Okay. Now, I don't want to set that on there. Look at that. Boy. How's that look? Huh? How's that look, people? Does that look good? Okay, look here. We'll cut it like a professional. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? Look at that right there. Looky yonder. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Check this out. Let's see how this tastes, man. Okay. Oh boy. All right, let me shut the water off. That's what happens when you don't edit. You gotta do it all, okay? Huh? Oh man. Oh man. That is good, man. Oh. 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 See that? Huh? Oh. Let's turn that off. Don't need to waste power. Wow. Man, it's good. I'm gonna do all these cooking. See how bad that was? Look. Where we start? When did we start? 101? Finger looking good. Who is that? Kentucky Fried Chicken? I don't know who that was. Was that Colonel Sanders? Oh man, that's good. Okay. Look at that. Huh? Ham and egg sandwich. And the sink talking to me. Got that a little hot, didn't we? Well, cook fast, man. All right. I think it said 103, didn't it? 101. All right. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay. Sorry. Don't try to eat like this. I'm just challenging myself. You take your time when you eat. This is just for the video, okay? I don't eat like this. Well, there it is. 113. Okay? Huh? Get it done. Okay? Hey, you know, I could put this up. But you know, it only take me a second to put it up, wash it out, and we'll be done. Okay? Alright. At 114, I can put everything up. You know I can do this in about as fast as I am. I can get that done quick. Okay? I don't want that light to bother you, but no editing. There you go. Chef Boy RG here. Show you how to do it. In 14 minutes, we cooked us a meal and we ate it. How about that? Huh? I love you guys. You guys are one of a kind. Chef Boy RG. Come on back and see me. I'll cook you up a monster meal. On my Wednesday live, I'm doing a couple of food. We're going to go through. I'm going to do some reviews on some food that I like. And some that I haven't tried before. Stay tuned. Hey, live long and prosper. Bye-bye for now.